As more people upgrade their home entertainment setups, stylish and space-saving TV stands have become increasingly popular. Whether you're furnishing a living room, bedroom, or apartment, the right stand can improve both organization and viewing comfort. This guide reviews the best IKEA-style TV stands and TV stand alternatives based on build quality, stability, storage capacity, compatibility, ease of assembly, design, and overall value. Product number 1. PERLESMITH Universal Swivel TV Stand for 24 to 60-inch TVs, up to 99 pounds. The PERLESMITH Universal Swivel TV Stand is an excellent choice for anyone looking to replace bulky furniture with a clean, minimalist tabletop solution. Compatible with most 24 to 60-inch TVs weighing up to 99 pounds, the stand features a sturdy tempered glass base that provides excellent stability without taking up much space. Its swivel function allows users to adjust the viewing angle, making it easier to watch television from different seating positions. Height adjustment adds flexibility, helping achieve a comfortable viewing experience regardless of furniture height. Installation is straightforward thanks to clearly labeled hardware and compatibility with common VESA mounting patterns. The modern black finish blends well with IKEA-inspired interiors and contemporary home decor. Product number 2. Rfiver Universal Swivel TV Stand for 27 to 60-inch TVs. The Rfiver Universal Swivel TV Stand combines versatility, durability, and affordability in a compact tabletop design. Supporting TVs from 27 to 60 inches and up to 88 pounds, it provides a stable platform for modern flat-screen televisions. Its adjustable height settings allow users to position the screen at an ideal viewing level, while the swivel mechanism makes it easy to rotate the TV for different seating arrangements. Heavy-duty steel construction paired with a tempered glass base ensures dependable stability. Assembly is beginner-friendly, with all necessary hardware included. The sleek appearance complements modern entertainment centers and minimalist furniture. Product number 3. PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand Legs for 32 to 60-inch TVs. The PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand Legs provide a simple and affordable replacement for damaged or missing factory TV feet. Designed for televisions between 32 and 60 inches, these universal legs support up to 88 pounds while maintaining a clean, low-profile appearance. Installation requires only basic tools, making it easy to restore compatibility without purchasing a completely new entertainment center. Adjustable mounting options improve compatibility with numerous television brands and VESA standards. The compact design also allows televisions to fit comfortably on narrower media consoles or IKEA-style cabinets where original legs may be too wide. Product number 4. VASAGLE TV Stand for 65-inch TVs. The VASAGLE TV Stand for 65-inch TVs is a complete entertainment center designed for both style and functionality. Measuring approximately 58 inches long, it comfortably accommodates larger televisions while providing generous storage for media devices, gaming consoles, books, and decorative items. An adjustable center shelf makes it easy to organize equipment of different sizes, while open shelving improves airflow around electronics. The engineered wood construction offers a sturdy platform suitable for everyday use. Its industrial-inspired design blends rustic wood finishes with a durable steel frame, making it a strong fit for contemporary and IKEA interiors. Product number 5. Perlegear Universal Swivel TV Stand Base for 32 to 70-inch TVs. The Perlegear Universal Swivel TV Stand Base supports larger televisions while offering flexible viewing adjustments. Compatible with TVs between 32 and 70 inches, it features both swivel and tilt functionality for improved viewing comfort. Its heavy-duty steel frame and tempered glass base provide dependable support while maintaining a clean, modern appearance. Multiple height settings allow users to position the television above soundbars or media accessories when needed. Installation is straightforward with clearly labeled hardware and wide VESA compatibility. Product number 6. PERLESMITH Rolling TV Stand for 23 to 60-inch TVs. The PERLESMITH Rolling TV Stand is an ideal solution for users who need mobility. Supporting televisions from 23 to 60 inches, this mobile stand features lockable wheels that make it easy to move between rooms while maintaining stability during use. The adjustable tilt function improves viewing comfort by reducing glare and allowing better screen positioning. Cable management channels help organize wires for a cleaner appearance. This stand works well for home offices, classrooms, conference rooms, apartments, or flexible entertainment spaces where portability is important.
For users who prefer minimalist tabletop setups, the PERLESMITH Universal Swivel TV stand offers excellent flexibility and stability. If portability is your priority, the PERLESMITH Rolling TV stand is the best option for moving your TV between rooms with ease.